Hi friends! Today we're going to talk about the Coleman CT200U 2026 mini bike, which is a popular off-road bike in both the USA and India markets. First, let's talk about the price. In the United States, this bike typically costs between $500 and $800, depending on the model and condition. In India, it's not officially available, but if you import it, the cost can range from 60,000 Indian rupees to 120,000 Indian rupees, including shipping and customs duties. Now let's move on to the engine and performance. This bike comes with a 196 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine that produces strong torque, making it ideal for off-road riding. Its top speed is around 20 to 25 miles per hour, which provides a safe and stable riding experience, especially for beginners and casual riders. In terms of design, the bike features a rugged steel frame and wide knobby tires, making it perfect for rough roads and trails. It also has a fuel tank capacity of about 1 gallon, offering a decent riding range. In the USA, this bike is mostly used on farms, trails, and for recreational purposes. However, in India, there may be road legality issues, so it is mainly suitable for private land or off-road use only. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: powerful engine, affordable price, strong build quality, beginner friendly. Cons: not suitable for high-speed riding, not road legal in many areas, limited parts availability in India. Overall, the Coleman CT200U 2026 is an excellent mini bike for off-road enthusiasts and beginners, especially in the USA. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.